That's what I do. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah, I know I'm doing. Shut up, nigga. Yeah, fuck you, nigga. Yeah, no, shut up. Shoot you. Well, come over there. Alright. What you do with your brother?
This way, nigga.
I got you, nigga.
Shut up, nigga.
Shoot, you shake your damn head like a girl. What on? You want to be a man now? You shake your head like a woman. What's wrong with you? I think so, okay? Yeah. Don't touch me. Quit holding my hand. Quit holding me.
What's up, John?
All right.
Damn, I got done. You know that fucker?
Okay. All right.
Even shit phone, nigga. Cry, nigga.
Oh yeah, he's gonna cry forever in the day. Do not drop his buttons.
I don't know. That shit didn't sound.
Uh-oh.
I'm trying to get one.
Get it right here. Turn that shit, nigga.
Wow.
Still niggas is still trying to get it fucking busy. Cause I fucking on the phone and asked Sarah. And she said, oh, my friend can get you a pound, but you can't, you can't come in the house and see us. I said, nah, bitch, I ain't giving you fucking money to go in the house, bring me out some fucking weed, and that shit be swag.
1
and
minute.
I'm pissed off. You know what I'm saying?
Just hold it like this.
Stand
back in
Or you disappear out the back door. I'm a hustler. If you a hustler, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Like,
You just don't want to pass.
you ain't gonna be, no. I love that shit fucking crack flipping.
Right.
Fuck all that shit.
I got that shit right to make it up.
But you talk about everybody, she fuck dizzy. I'm like, God damn, that is. Like, there's only one way that's gonna go. I'm getting robbed and large. That shit was bunk.
Oh my
Or other. Like it says on the fucking note sheet, other. The fuck?
What the fuck? I just did.
Damn.
That's the niggas who sent you.
This bit.
Wow.
I had to bite my tongue.
I should have done my first.
Oh shit. Yo, look at it. Yo, look at this shit. What?
Because I do the same shit y'all niggas do all the time.
We can get on that nigga. No, I'm talking about sister.
What's up, short stuff? What you doing?
Chilling with y'all niggas. That's what I'm doing. I see you smoking up a storm.
That's what I do every day, all night. All the way to the morning. I don't sleep.
You got any smoke?
We know that.
I need rolling.
Now tell me what's new.
You just told me how to count.
Alright.
Yo, let's talk on one day, man.
Right. I'll call you right now.
We gotta make a we need. Damn, nigga. What? Hold on, what's going on over here, nigga? What? You ain't right, nigga. Just be fucking quiet. I heard that.
Alright.
Wow.
And what else is going on in your life, Drizzy?
I was there with your ass Monday morning, nigga. You better fucking shake it up.
Yeah. You say everybody in this room.
No, that's degree. That's not even on. Yo, what's the name of this place that I get heat on, dog? Something in this bitch. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The heat's not even on.
Oh, yeah,
Listen, the heat's not even on. Yeah, they got the heat on, nigga.
What?
I'm a master.
Alright, let me ask you this. What do you think of G Unit?
I don't know, man. I know what out there. It's the E unit.
There's an E unit?
Yeah, I made an E unit.
There's an E unit. And I turn budget to E unit.
The E unit is like
it goes up.
Is it what?
It's like 8,000 deep.
You're gay.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh.
You only have when you go like out there. You'll feel the fucking the pain, nigga.
I smoke. No, I don't want this shit.
He said something about
wow,
the
that
E unit.
shit.
He said there's an E unit.
Nah, no.
Smoking it.
So you got an E unit now.
He said, who sent you?
Who fucking nation worldwide? We
E
went to
unit.
Egypt and all of that shit. I was like,
What is the Egypt?
Where you
I've been out there.
Where? Took a boat to the
I know that much. It's mad hard out there.
You haven't been out there. Yo, bullshit. You haven't been out there.
Yeah.
I've been out there.
You been to Egypt before?
You haven't been no fucking Egypt. This nigga don't know what the hell he's
Take
talking about.
this nigga, but he didn't want to go.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you know you haven't been there.
You know what Egypt look like?
Take this nigga with me, but he didn't want to go.
How many minutes on?
It's on 6 minutes.
Yeah, he don't know nothing about no fucking Egypt.
Alright, easy.
How you gonna go?
Probably the pyramid.
Alright.
Nigga, you got
Oh, get on here.
I seen the parents.
I know, I got through.
Over here.
I got there. I got there.
Egypt.
He said up here, man.
Back it up. Do it right.
I ain't doing it right. Nigga.
Get up in that mother. You know, like
Nigga, shut up.
on a boat.
You know, like the scene with the rock.
Hey, there's a message.
Up in there, nigga.
Ah.
I seen him doing everything, nigga. Yeah.
Oh.
We can't get ill, nigga.
Alright, hey, dog.
Scorpion.
Scorpion King.
Yo, hey.
Shit, nigga, I'm paying money for these.
I was here, nigga.
Hey, I got questions for you.
Money.
I got this.
Yeah. I used to have
Get down.
Yo, hey.
Hold on, I don't play that gay shit, nigga. I'm all about my pie, son.
I'm
Oh.
all about my pie high. Nigga.
Alright.
No word.
Yeah, keep up.
Oh, shit.
Shut up.
How many minutes is on, nigga?
It's on 7, nigga.
Right.
Shoot, you keep track of your shit.
Hold on now. How
I'm
about
trying to get back to my motherfucking
I know my damn numbers.
Hey.
Just go shoot.
It's okay.
Shut up.
You gotta see if you got
I'm doing.
You gotta hear
that was like
something.
2 hours ago.
You keep talking shit, I'm gonna come over and beat the living shit out of you. What you
Nigga,
say?
we gotta get there and then let's get drunk. You'll last longer.
Damn. You shouldn't be like Stone Cold now.
Damn! Smell that shot.
Damn. You know what I'm saying? You got shit.
Chug that shit, nigga, chug it.
Yeah, chug it. I wanna see this. Do like Stone Cold.
Don't send him.
Oh,
Yeah, do like Stone Cold.
him.
How many minutes is on?
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
You got
Yeah.
you got 12 more to chug.
Yeah. Do like Stone Cold. Can you do like Stone Cold?
I dare you, nigga.
About to lay out.
Do like Stone Cold. Yeah, Stone Cold
Take
take the
two of
bitch.
them. Bow and guzzle both them shit.
Do like Stone Cold.
He is the one.
Can you do like Stone Cold?
I'm the motherfucking MP. And my niggas right here, we don't give a fuck.
Yo, you gonna do it? You gonna do it?
He's way more than he said.
You see that?
Should be capable of.
No, he drinks way more than what
Right.
he's capable of.
Now drink like Stone Cold.
There you
I wanna
go.
get
See
that.
that?
Yeah.
Because I remember at his house one time.
Yeah, what was
I
it?
forgot what
Yo,
party it
don't
was.
fuck with it.
We were mixing liquors that shouldn't have been mixed.
Right.
What's
it? All right.
Oh, yo, fucking was saying that.
I know them do it. Nah, man, that's what I'm saying. Hey, motherfucker.
You're like funny.
All right. A&T, I got a question. Do you ever want some baby?
She always says,
Fuck no. And do you ever want to these motherfuckers will never have no baby? None.
Yeah.
Shoot, nigga.
You missed it.
I got 4 of those.